Libras, welcome to this reading that is going to be just about you. You can watch if you are a Libra or if you have Libra in your chart. I love Libras because they're like the realest, like they're the most loving people. They really love everyone. They give love like the 70s, you know, like freely. They're such great people. They do like their fair share of drama though. Okay, so let's connect to the angels, ancestors, and spirit guides of the Libras. Can I please have information about what the month of May is going to be for Libras? Please, 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 please. Maybe you have angels that are actually very, very shy. I'm getting this very mellow energy. I feel like they're very, very soft and caring. Well, kind of like Libras are like that, right? I feel like Libra would be good parents. Oh, do you have kids? Let me know if you have kids. And if you have kids, what are their signs? I want to know that. I would love to know that. There we go. Oh, I like this. You know what? I never get this. They kind of like try to hide the information, like make me work for it. Okay, so Libras, you are a very well balanced person. Oh yes, you are a very well balanced person. Oh, you're hot on the inside. Oh my god. I'm gonna need a little more, guys, to do a reading with the Libras, because right now I see really good things. I think that maybe this balance might be newly found, like you finally found something, like a balance you were seeking for. Maybe you started something new lately that brought you this balance, that really put you, that really made you happy. I feel such a great energy though. Like honestly, a great energy like that can only channel good things. It can only attract good things. Why do I not see more though? Like everything's good, everything's fine, everything's chill. Little bit of conflict maybe, but nothing that you care too much about. The energy's still good. You feel like you're in your power, you're ready to conquer, but at the same time, like, can't wait for tomorrow, right? Conquering can wait. Like, you're in no hurry. You're the opposite of the Capricorn reading. The Capricorn is so hectic, like, gotta do it, gotta fix it, you know? You're so chill and delicious. You feel like a day at the beach, a day at the spa. Nice restaurant. I'm hungry. I'm gonna talk about restaurant. Seriously, guys, you have nothing to say to my Libra friends. What is May gonna be about? Can May be about rest? It can be about nothing. Rest and balance. Enjoying the balance. Yeah, a little bit of a life change, but that's everybody. This card came out in every reading so far. So yeah, maybe your life is balancing itself in and out, and it's no big deal. It's like nothing. Or they don't want to tell me what's coming. Okay, please, angels, can you tell me what's coming for my Libra friends watching in the month of May? Maybe May is one of those months for you that are just gonna pass by, easy, nothing special. Nothing special is gonna happen. A little bit of new direction in your life, good relationships, money in your pocket, nothing excessive, nothing in excess. That's what I see. Everything well balanced. A little spirituality. Maybe that's going with the Tower. Spirituality that's gonna open the path maybe for June. I'm thinking. Maybe you're working a lot, too much on your plate. Yeah. You're working a lot, but I see you enjoying life anyway. Like you're not trying to, I don't know, I feel like you're good. Like, yeah, this energy, like I'm good. I'm just good. I'm okay. I don't need anything. So independent. I'm good. I just wanna have a cup of tea, work on my stuff. Nothing special. Maybe a little bit of self-judgment. Maybe it's about judging other people, because that's a Libra thing, right? A little bit of gossip, never killed nobody. I feel like you're actually happy, like you've been working a lot, you've been having a lot on your plate, but you've been working a lot on your plate, but you're really happy with what was going on and happy about how you handled everything. Now these cards together are odd to me. So I feel like before you have taken a lot on your plate and you were a little bit off balance, but it's getting good, it's paying off. I feel like the plants, the seeds that you planted are growing, and they're growing into something majestic. I think it's a lot about you and yourself and not much about other people. I feel like maybe you've been enjoying yourself a lot lately, but just yourself. I don't know if that makes any sense. I don't see many influence on your relationship, so I feel like whatever your situation is, it's gonna stay that way. If you're single, it's gonna stay single. If not, it's gonna stay in the same realm. I don't think you care much about it. If you're in a relationship, I don't feel like I don't think you care about that. So I think either it's steady, either you really don't care about that person. I feel like what you care about is enjoying yourself in the physical world. Like it could be going out, it could be drinking, it could be eating, and it could be even a little sexual. I'm a little confused, but I know it's a good energy, it's good things. Never mind, there's the Lover card. It is that energy that I was feeling this whole time. That card is very powerful. It's being in love, in bliss, and like woohoo, butterfly in my tummy. Flowers in a garden. yeah, I feel like maybe if you are single, you've been meaning to meet somebody special, you're gonna meet that person. If you are in a relationship and you didn't care too much about that person, or didn't pay attention to that person, like maybe that person is gonna reveal themselves in a new light to you. They're gonna be more romantic. Oh. Oh. I feel like you had a little bit of money issues lately, where like you've been trying to get more money or manifest more money, and with this card, I see that yeah, manifestation will bring change to your money situation, but there's gonna be something in your mindset, in your money, in your, there's a lot of change for everyone coming in May, and it's always positive change. So far, so good. Yeah, I feel like the High Priestess, this one's always confusing me so much. It is about a lady who lives 1 foot on Earth and 1 foot in like the spiritual realms. It's some kind of goddess, you know? Maybe by calling upon her energy, you're gonna find the confidence to make that change happen for you. And I feel like with this guy, you're gonna be very spiritual in May, and that's gonna bring great things. I hope this reading speaks to you. If it resonates, please leave me a comment and a thumbs up. I have other pick a card videos. I have a whole playlist of them if you want to watch more. And also, if you want to join me on Patreon, I just opened this new thing. I'm trying to build this community where if you want like a private reading, you can book one. If you want to participate in like group spells and stuff like that, we're gonna do some fun stuff over there. You just gotta pick the option that fits you the most. Just know that every option on Patreon, you can book for only 1 month if you want to, and then see if you want to keep going with this. And you can book for a whole year if you want to, but you can also book for 1 month, which means that you will only be charged for one reading, right? And I'll do those readings as fast as I can, so you'll get your readings, and hopefully you can benefit from all the things that I see for you. So I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I wish you all the best thing in the world, even if I never see you again. All kinds of blessing your way. Thanks for watching.